Hello and welcome to week 4. This week we're doing our rough draft workshop, which means you have to both work sequentially through this module and go back to module 3, to the rough draft, to review 2 of your peers. And I will be walking you through how to do that and giving you a worksheet that you can go through to answer the questions for the 2 papers that you're reviewing. So, that is how this week is going to work. You're going to be reading chapter 24 and be taking that quiz. It's on common grammar mistakes. You should have 3 shots. You should work that out. You all are doing great on the quizzes, by the way. And then look, and you can see that there is a pre-Grammarly final draft as well as a final draft where you are allowed to use Grammarly. So after going over major errors in grammar so we understand these rules, you can also use non-generative AI to check a paper, though you should use it selectively. Just because Grammarly makes a suggestion doesn't always mean it's right. And then you can post a final post-Grammarly essay right here. So it's very important that you follow those steps, because if you post it, if you do not have that pre-Grammarly final draft, your essay could unintentionally flag as AI, and we wouldn't be able to do anything about that. So make sure that you have a pre-Grammarly draft here before you post a final draft if you're using Grammarly. So that is this week. In our lecture notes, I will be going over how do you review a paper, how do you word suggestions to your peers, and the real value in this, at this level, is not as much the advice that you're giving your peers, but the experience you are getting reviewing papers. Because in the real world, most papers you write, apart from emails that you are sending or very small projects, are going to be group projects, like group grants or group patents that you are making. And it is so important for you to know, how do you give helpful feedback to your peers in a professional manner? And it's something that they look for on the letters of recommendation they send. So me being able to see the way that you can work with your peers and effectively give them helpful feedback is a great skill to learn. So that's what we're doing this week. I look forward to reading your final drafts.